Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are listening to Malik Shazaib. In this video, I will tell you the 5 best quotation websites on internet. You can find the link of websites in the description of this video. Let me show you one of these websites. Open the first website. Here it is the link of this website. Now on this website you can see the quotations are divided into different categories. If you want motivational, you can click on motivation. If you want life, teacher, friendship, all the quotations are divided into different categories. So now I have clicked on the motivational and I will get motivational quotation. So let's see what appears. So after clicking on motivational, we have been redirected towards the motivational quotations page. So only I can change my life, no one can do it for me. That's the quotation of the day. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to Malik Shazaib. Bye.